Okay, so now we're going to give you a little tour of what the dashboard looks like in WordPress. And we're not going to go over everything, just the stuff that you will probably want to know how to work so you can make updates. Other things in there you maybe don't want to touch, or you maybe want us to help you from time to time with. But post is basically your blog. Okay, so we go to the post page. You see you can add new, you can add categories, you can add tags. That's kind of, for your search engine optimization. So you could be like tennis in whatever your town is, tennis lessons, your academy name, different things like that. But you can see right here. Here are all the blog posts that are currently on the site. If ever you want to add a new one, you just click Add New, and then you can basically just add a title and begin. Okay, let me walk you through a couple things here. So again, you can just type whatever you want. Maybe this one's how to serve. Okay, and then you can just start typing in here your article, whatever you want. This right here shows the hidden kitchen, so this will allow you to like this. You can make things a header, so you can make things bigger or smaller here. Okay, you can make things bold or on bold. So if I click here and then click there, you can see that things get. Let's see if we can get it to look a little different. If we make it smaller, it will look different. If we go back to paragraph, okay, so we have that, and then if we change it, there you go. Now you can see the difference between bold, italic. Okay, so you just kind of go through here, play around. Now here's a couple things you may want to add. You may want to add a photo to your blog post. So you just hit Insert Image, and then you select basically a photo from your computer. Let's say we're going to pick that. And it's downloading. There we go. And right here, you can basically put, if you want to go over to the left, center, right. If you want it to be thumbnail, or you want it to be medium, or large, or full size. Okay, let's just say we want a thumbnail, and let's say we want it to the left, and you just insert it into post, and you'll see there it is right there. And then you can start typing again if you want to add some things. So that's usually what you want to do on a blog post, as far as putting some images in, things like that. We'll get a little bit more into that later when we cover blogs, but I just want to show you the dashboard. So that's your post right there. Okay, we're going to leave the page. All right, now media. Media is where you keep all your pictures. Okay, so you can see that picture we just put in there will show up in media. All right, so here's where you put here's where all your pictures will be that you're going to have on the site. Okay. One thing you can do is you can add a new one up here if you want to add a picture to your media, and it works just the same way that we just showed you. Select files, so we don't need to go through that again because it's the same exact step. You can come over here to some of your current photos and edit them. Some things you might want to do is either delete them, or you can You can change the size, so you can edit the image, and right here is scaling image, is where you basically can change the size of it, and you just type in different numbers and hit scale, and that will change it, and then save. Okay, so that's your media section. Another thing, to delete anything, you would just come over here, click it, and bulk actions, so you can delete it permanently, but we're not going to do that. And we're going to uncheck because we want that picture there. And so that's your media section. Next thing that you may want to play around with from time to time are your pages. Okay, so when we click here, we can see all the pages that we have set up on the website. And if ever you want to edit any of them, you just go here and you click edit. If you want to view it, you click view. Okay, so we just come here and click. We can go over to edit. And you can see that right in here is where a lot of the information is on that. But we'll get into how to edit and things like that later. I just want to show you, if ever you want to add a new page, you just come right there and you click there, and then you can start typing in. Okay, so that is basically the pages. This is a lot of what you'll be dealing with. Okay, is going to the post and the pages is where you're going to spend a lot of time on. As far as commenting and contact, and this is basically a theme that we put in for you. You don't want to change this. You don't really want to touch this. Plugins, they have like search engine optimization plugins. You can basically go to YouTube and you know, type in WordPress and plugins and learn about them. But we're not going to get much into that. Again, I just want you to be able to make basic edits. Okay, gallery. So this is where all your pictures are. So you can see, you can come over here to your gallery and you can add gallery images. So you see I'm clicking here. And again, it works a lot like I've already shown you, where you can select an image and basically put it in there. We're not going to do that because we don't want to add anything to the gallery right now. All right. You can manage your gallery right here. And you can basically go and click so you can see your current galleries that you have. It's just thinking here a second. Still thinking. Well, what we're going to do, oh, there we go. All right. So you can see all your pictures right there. Okay, but we're going to get into more of this stuff later. I just wanted to show you basically how your dashboard works over here. This is where you're going to start when you come in and you want to make edits. Okay, and we'll be back with the next video.